Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying your Windows build so the steps match. Once done, create a restore point and export the registry branch you'll modify. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. This is required for file ownership and advanced settings. You will also sign into an administrator account because changing system UI needs privileges. Now that the essentials are set, proceed to disable conflicting apps, like third-party taskbar tweakers, so the menu bar changes apply cleanly and predictably. You'll now make the visible changes. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then Taskbar, change alignment, icon visibility, and overflow behavior. If you need a classic menu bar, modify specific registry values and set Explorer behavior or run a vetted PowerShell script to apply changes in one pass. Make sure to restart Explorer after edits, otherwise changes won't appear. Keep track of original values so you can revert. Also, document each change step by step for easier troubleshooting later. To finish, restart Explorer or reboot to flush caches and apply the new menu bar state. You should verify icon positioning and test menus for responsiveness. If something looks off, restore the registry export or roll back to the restore point you made. If the menu bar fails to load, check Event Viewer for errors and disable recent startup apps or shell extensions. These commonly conflict. If needed, take ownership of files changed, reapply settings, and then restart Explorer again to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.